Hey guys, so here is the PrintNC all in Solidworks, and it's a combination of the V3 Z-axis, and then everything else is based on the V2.1 alpha, I think it is, and this is just a combination of everything. So we have everything working. We have some constraints set up so we can just kind of simulate and see what things look like. And I also have, if I can rotate this, there we go. I have the whole thing parametrically done. So if we want to change some of the settings here, so this is the default settings. So let's say, I don't know, let's say 1200 square. And then here we can just rebuild it. There, and now we have a 1200 millimeter machine. So this is good for, this way you can like figure out your dimensions for all your steel stock, your linear rails, ball screws, and yeah. Let's try some other sizes. I don't know, let's say like a 2000 by like 600. There we go. Looks like you're going to be seen in the bowling alley or something. I don't know. It's kind of a weird looking machine. Let's try a little tiny one. 500 by 500. That's tiny. I don't know, maybe this is like a jeweler machine or something. Who knows? Desktop CNC machine. Let's say like a really big one. Let's say like a 4000. I think that's too big actually. It might be like kind of stupid looking. Let's try this. 3000 by 3000. That's humongous. So yeah, there it is. I've updated the GitHub, so you can download this. This is a SolidWorks 2016 files, but they should be compatible in any future versions. It's just that's what I'm running at home. And let me know what you think, and that's it.